Ain't no yellow bricks out here.
Just pavement.
Wind and pressure. The world keeps turning, interrupting itself, while the block just holds the line. Every step out here costs something. Question is, what you paying me with?
We just passing through this life, same as that trash blowing in the wind. You gotta find your peace somewhere. Out here. Everybody watching.
Even when they don't say nothing, though.
Another evening settles on these streets. We hear the sirens fade and breathe for one more night. Some battles ain't loud.
They sit in you.
We rush through these streets trying to find our way. But the streets themselves, they just watch us pass by.
Quiet, but heavy.
The sun dips low, pulling the heat from the day. Out here on the block, you see folks passing through. But it's the quiet ones you gotta watch. They carry the weight. This block's seen it all. The pain, the pressure.
Down here, trouble brews faster than coffee on a cold morning. It wasn't long before the game turned sour.
Get your hands off me!
Back off! You want some of this? Get out of the way! A man struggles to find peace. Sometimes you gotta make them listen with more than just your voice.
Some things, they just keep coming back around.
See, out here, the game ain't just about luck. It's about respect. And when that breaks down, well, the block just keeps spinning, don't it? The game was live, money on the wood. Then these boys rolled up reckless.
Get on the ground now, run that money.
Some days the street just takes what it wants.
This block's seen a lot of things. Seen folks rise up, seen folks fall down. It don't judge, just watches.
You got yours?
Yeah, holding on to it. The streets don't care who you are. One day you're up, the next you're just dust caught in the wind like this money. They told you the gold was in the streets? Nah.
It's in the people, still breathing through him.
Down here on these streets, the sun shines bright, casting long shadows.
Walking these streets, you feel the history. Every crack telling a story.